Today I'm going to show you how to fill a tipless bag. You'll need a bag, a spoon or spatula, some icing and a mason jar. So let's go ahead and stir up our icing first to make sure that we have the right consistency. And then we're going to take our bag, fold it over to form a cuff, like so. Then we're going to pop it in our mason jar or glass and pull the sides down so that you have a nice open area. Then you're going to slowly add in your icing. Make sure you get all the icing in there. I like to give it a last scrape down. And then start to close up the bag, and as you do so, squeeze the bag against your spoon so that you can clean all the icing off of it. Fold up the rest of the bag and give your icing a squeeze down. You can also do this on the counter if you find that easier. And there you go. Your icing bag is ready to go. Thanks for watching.